Good morning, guys. I have bought for you a very simple and very effective strategy. For this strategy, you need to keep your screen layout as this. You need to have two layouts over here. On one of it, you are going to keep it as 30 minutes time frame. On this, I have kept 30 minutes time frame on the left hand side one. And on the right hand side one, I have kept it as 5 minutes time frame. Now, this strategy is applicable. This is useful for trading Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Nifty, stocks. You can trade Forex market, you can trade crypto market, you can trade each and every market you want. Okay. Now, as you can see over here, I have gold chart placed over here. I have Bank Nifty data to be placed over here on the next screen. So you can trade whichever script you want, which you can trade whichever market you want. Okay. It is your choice completely. You can trade whatever you want. Okay. Now let me come straight on the point. What is this strategy? And trust me, guys, this is an amazing strategy. I have made this indicator, uh, which I'll be sharing with you all. Obviously, it is a paid indicator, and you all will be getting a lifetime access. Okay, for this indicator, no monthly subscription, nothing, just a one-time payment, and you will be amazed to just hear what's the payment is. Okay, it's so cheap. I have kept it cheap so that each and every one could get benefit out of it. Okay, a very simple strategy I'm going to share with you all. It needs one indicator and two layouts. Now, suppose you are a trader who is trading in Bank Nifty, who is trading in futures, and you are having two screens, okay, or one big screen, okay, then two layouts, keeping two layouts is quite easy for you. Now, let's come straight on the point to the strategy itself. So for this, you have to just keep your layouts as this. You have to keep two layouts over here. On one end, you are going to keep 30 minutes time frame. You are going to apply the indicator which I'll be providing, that is Wealth Maker by Journey to Wealth. Okay. Now, this indicator, as soon as you're in 30 minutes time frame, as soon as you have a long signal, and along with long signal, understand, this is the most important rule. Along the long signal, you need to have a candle closing above the ribbon. Okay. Similarly, along with the short signal, you need to have a candle closing below the ribbon. As you can see over here, there is a short signal, but the candle is far away from the ribbon. So the trend has not yet changed. Okay. Over here, you can see there is a long signal and the candle has closed above the ribbon. The trend is changed. Okay. As soon as you get such type of signal, after that, you have to come to 5 minutes time frame and you are simply going to look for buying opportunities. Okay. Now, where to buy? In 5 minute time frame, you don't need to look at the short and long signs. Here, you don't need to look at that. All you need over here is the ribbon. Okay. Suppose the trend is already in the uptrend. What you need to do is you are just supposed to wait for the 5 minutes candle to come below. Okay. As you can see over here, it has came below the ribbon. Okay. Then once the candle bounces back above the ribbon, that's your entry point. Okay, so here you are supposed to get your entry done at this place. Now, this is your entry candle. What you are supposed to do is a candle previous to the entry candle, you are supposed to keep your stops here. Okay, and you are supposed to take a profit at 1 is to 2. Okay, so this is very simple strategy, right? I have did the backtesting data of it. I have did backtesting of 100 trades. I am keeping this video very short. Okay. I don't want y'all to get mess up. I'll be showing you one setup where you're supposed to get a sell trade. So we'll just go behind. Okay, now this is a short signal placed over here. The candle has closed. I'll just zoom it. Okay. On 30 minutes time frame, you can see this is a short signal given. Here also it was short signal, but the candle was not closing below the ribbon. At this point, the candle closed below the ribbon. But again, one thing, the candle closing below the ribbon should be next candle or the same candle itself. Now, suppose the candle takes in a 30 minutes time frame, the candle takes 2 or 3 candles are required for closure below, then it won't be sustaining, guys. It won't sustain, right? So all you need to do is you need to wait for a candle which is going to give a closure on 30 minutes below the ribbon along with a short signal, or the candle over here gave a short signal and the next candle gave a closing below the ribbon, then and only then you are supposed to take a trade, right? Now, this is a candle which has given a signal, short signal, closed below the ribbon quite well. Now, this was on 22nd of June. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just moving my chart behind on 22nd of June on the 5-minute time frame. I'll be just going back. Okay. Now, this was 22nd of June. You can see over here in 5 minutes time frame, you can see there was lot of, you know, wrong signals placed. Now, here it is. See, the candle came below, it went above first, it came below. Sorry, the signal was given on 22nd of June to 2:15. Okay, so 2:15 was the signal given. So here it was. Okay, so this was 2:15 was the signal given. We'll wait for 30 minutes. Then the candle came back. Now, on the next day, on 23rd, the candle went up. It came back down, right? As soon as it came back down, you are supposed to make an entry, right? So we placed an entry. The candle previous to it, we kept our stops over here. 1:2 is the target, and it took the SL. Now, how many points SL it has taken? 39 points, right? Again, we are supposed to wait for an entry. This is the candle. Okay, fine. We are taking an entry over here, keeping the stops at this particular place. The candle previous to it, previous to the signal candle, we are waiting for the target of 1:2. Let's see whether we have achieved it or not. Okay. So this is 1:2 exactly. Let's see when we are going to achieve that, whether we have achieved it or we have took the asset. Okay, it took the asset, right? So this is how you are supposed to make an entry. Okay. Now over here, while I'm showing it to you, in front of you, this particular setup has 2 SLs being hit. One uh, target I have shown it to you all, right? But we have 2 SLs being hit. Now let us see further what happens. Okay. This is the long signal, right? This is the long signal. The candle has closed above the ribbon. This is how we are supposed to make an entry. Here, there is a long signal. We waited for this particular candle to close above the ribbon. And then as soon as this bounce came, okay, we took an entry over here, nearly this point, and then we kept our stops over here, and you can see it is a clear win. It is a clear win, right? So I am going to share with you now the results of 100 trades backtested, and I have backtested it from the month of January. Okay. So in Jan itself, you can see over here, there were winners, there were losers. This was a big loss. This was a big win. Okay. Now, this was again a big loss. So at the end of the January month, we gained nearly around 3,702 points. Okay. Which is roughly with one lot, if you will consider the costing or how much we earned, it is 92,567 rupees. Okay. Now, what is the return on investment? If I consider that the minimum capital which I have kept is 2.5 lakhs per lot. Okay. Generally, Bank Nifty is tradable with 1.5 lakh rupees, but I have kept it for safer side, considering the losses part as well. I have kept it as 2.5 lakh rupees per lot. Okay. So considering that you have gained in a single month 37.02%. Okay. Now, coming next, this was a big loss, 306 points, 124 points loss, 101 point loss. Here comes the big profits, 352 points, 334 points, 377 points. So whichever profit is above 200, I have kept it as big profits. Whichever profit is, whichever loss is above 100, I have kept it as big losses. Okay. So that's the color differences over here. You can see you have dark red colors for big losses and light red colors for less losses, like below 100 losses, light red color. Below $200, below 200 profit, light green. Above 200 profit, dark green. Okay. In the month of February, we gained nearly around 26.92%. The gain, net gain means the total number of profit points minus the loss points. The net points were 2,692.95 points, which sums up around 67.323 rupees. Okay. Same considering the ROI, it is 26.92%. Right? Then it let's talk about the March month. Okay. Now, in the month of March, it was a whooping 46.42%. Okay. It was humongous, like 46.42% is humongous, right? Then the last trades which I took, like to complete the till 100, the last trades which we considered were from the month of April, entire April to till 4th of May. Okay. In this period, you can see over here, there were no such big profits, right? There was no such big profits. Let's see the month of April. Initially, in the month of April, you can see the 3rd of April, 198 points, 77 points, minus 50 points, minus 182 points. Then 188 points, 245, 209. So nothing above 200 that much. But still, like considering each and every trade, the net profit was 21.53%. Okay. Now, after all this, I just simply did a calculation that what is the total number of profit and what is the total number of losses we made. We nearly captured 15,412 points in profit. We lost 2,221.15 points in loss, and the net profit comes up around 13,191.7 points. Okay. Now, if we are considering this, then the ROI, the net profit which we made in 100 trades is of 3,29,792 rupees, and the ROI on 2.5 lakh capital within 3 months, within a span of 3 months, 3 to 4 months, sorry. Okay. Within a span of 4 months, it is 131%. The number of winners is 78 and the number of losers is 22. So the win rate becomes 78%, right? I guess having 78% as the win rate for a strategy where you are aiming 1:2 all the time is a very big thing. And guys, see, I am being very transparent with you all, right? You can see over here, even while showing you all the demo trades, showing you all how to make the trades, you have seen that there were two trades which took the SL, there were two trades which took the target. Here are few trades which have taken huge SLs like 306 points, 160 points, 124 points. These are huge SLs, right? Still, considering everything, we are still in net profit, right? And here you can see that not every month you will be profitable, but obviously you can see over here that whatever happens, the net profit is more than 10%. Okay. Now, having a net profit of more than 10%, having an ROI of more than 10% every month is something that is going to create you wealth. Okay. That's why the name of the strategy, which or the name of the indicator which I have developed is called as wealth maker strategy. Okay. Now, guys, coming back to the last part, if you are willing to have it, if you are wishing to have it, I'm going to provide you the wealth maker indicator along with ultimate tool indicator. Okay. Both these indicators will be provided to you. Sorry. Both these indicators will be provided to you, and that will be provided to you at a special cost for lifetime access at 10,000 rupees, right? The special cost is 10,000 INR, 10,000 Indian rupees. That too for a lifetime access. And this offer is just valid for this particular month of July. Okay. After that, the same thing will be applied at 15,000 rupees for lifetime access. So, guys, don't miss on it and use this opportunity to have two indicators. The one which I have already placed an video. Okay, you can just go to my channel, check that I have shared two strategies using ultimate tool indicator, which is a paid indicator. So you are going to get two indicators for a cost of 10,000 rupees, that too for a lifetime subscription, just in the month of July. Okay. After July, the same thing will be provided to you at 15,000, right? And then later on, the same thing will be provided for 20,000. So basically, I just want that each and every person should get an access to it. I am not a believer of having, monthly subscriptions or yearly subscriptions. I'm not a believer of that. I'm a believer that, okay, fine, I am earning money from trading. I have created something, but I don't want to share this strategies free of cost, right? Because there are a lot of indicators available for free, but you might be knowing that how they work and how they don't. You are well aware about that, right? So 10K, two indicators for lifetime access. If you want to use this opportunity, just capitalize on it, buy it, and then you can trade any script you want, any script you want. Okay, that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, if you want me to post videos regularly, and if you want me to post videos, uh, you know, on educational videos like how to identify trend, what is an exhaustion wick, what is a continuation wick, all these things, if you want, then please subscribe to my channel. Soon I'll be starting to post videos on a regular basis. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.